So today we're gonna twist two things in one. First of all, we're going to review the Kiko palette. We had done an unboxing just recently, I think it was uploaded, and those are the colors. And since then, it has been officially stated that the Kiko shops will open in Malta. Ole! So thank you, let's break the bank. We're also wearing shirts for simple reasons because we have a wedding later today, so we're gonna create a wedding look as in we're not getting married, we are visiting, yes. And taking over the alcohol bar. I'm joking, no? Maybe. And so we'll be creating a doable wedding look for your examples. Not for your examples. For your perusal.
Yes, that's the word. And it's a morning wedding, so
yes.
More for a calm.
I don't want to go full out. I mean, I'm wearing a blue, pink, flowery dress, and I shall be leaning onto those colors.
Yes.
So, let's go for it. Mela ħin ħanibda cream.
Me too. We're both going to dip into this cream shade over here as our base. Let's go.
Exciting. Doesn't have fallback.
Does it a bit powdery, but we'll see. Okay, pigmented.
I don't like moment.
Give me some. I'll take some of it. Okay.
Your transfer brush is really big.
It is.
Compared to mine.
No, but this I just use it for, we got this for $1. And there are a couple of brushes that I don't use, which is a bit wasteful. So I'm trying to make the most out of my brushes.
Find a way, Eyewear. You know why?
It was only $1, guys, so why not? And it is a duo fiber brush. So it's nice to just flick it for my transition.
Flick it and make it live.
Flick it and make it work. So, you're still using the cream?
Yes, but I'm going on to the next color.
Me too. I'm going to dip into this warm orangey color over here. Looks so nice, guys. Dipping into this.
Half now. I'll be going next. No, not that one. Sorry, this one. I'm going on purpose, guys. So I'm skipping the pink.
I'm doing this. And I'm already using
fully purple.
This. All right.
Dipping into orange. Ooh.
They're really soft.
Their material is like a cloth.
It's like fabric. Eh?
When
we unboxed it, that's what I told her. It's like one cohesive thing. It's like
what are you?
I know, we're shadows, girl. Ooh, okay, I like this.
Yeah.
I like this. It's a nice color. Okay.
Yeah. I like how they're transferring. I'm not having a lot of fallout, which is...
No, there's kickback in the pan, but just minimal fallout.
Minimal.
Not of
Vera, there's a bit of a kickback.
There is, they're a bit dusty, but they're nice. At least they have pigment, so that's good. I think you can tell.
We see how the colors build up to
on camera.
Up to now,
Come closer.
Sorry. You weren't seeing my beautiful face. I am sorry for you guys. I will come closer to you.
No, the screen will break.
Sorry. I love you. There were some mixed reviews on this, to be fair. Some said that the darker colors had a little bit of more work into them to build them up. So we'll see once we both get to the darker colors. But to be fair, the ones that you are using is a dark color.
The orange, yeah, I like it. It's really nice.
It's nice.
And I like that this palette, they're all matte.
Yes,
they're all matte. They are all matte.
And we love a matte color.
We do.
Oh yeah.
However, I haven't done a full look with just mattes in a long time. So I think the last time I did a full matte look was when I had a theme party, a 90s theme party, which was back in September. And so it's been a while now. And I used grunge colors, browns and burgundies. But they were all matte, no shimmer.
To be fair, I think for morning weddings, I don't think you need to go for such a glittery, shimmery.
I wouldn't.
I wouldn't with it. I would
I
love
would,
to keep
personally.
it soft. I'd love to keep it soft. And then maybe for the evening, yes, I would like to give it a bit of a twist with a bit of a glitter color.
Let's see.
Emma,
What is orange?
that is our way of thinking. Another thing, sorry, she's going to speak.
No. Go for it. Because I'm still thinking.
I'm going for the purple one, obviously.
You're going for the
now.
purple?
I'm going for the purple one, which is right at the end over here. Now, I'll see, because right now my eyes still look a bit bland, but again, I want to go for a soft look, so I'm not going to expect much pop.
I'm dipping into this color. This red color. Just to deepen out my outer crease, that's it.
Is it red color? It's like a burnt orange.
Uh-huh. Kind of. I mean,
Wow, Arana.
it's nice. It's very nice. Let's see.
Another thing I don't like, and it doesn't have to do with this, but more with weddings, is the blessed caps. I do not like people wearing hats.
I like fascinators. I like flowers.
Fascinators, no. Okay, wait, flowers, but not extravagant.
I don't
hats
like it when it's
and
when it's like this round thing on your head with a flower and feathers.
no.
I like it when it's just like a rose and some small netting maybe, but not. I don't like it when the feathers are like this.
No.
I don't like those.
No,
Sorry?
No.
They're not my cup of tea, and apparently neither Becky's.
No, not really. Not freaking really.
But I do like a flower in the hair or a hairband.
A hairband.
They're very
Yes,
they're bad.
hairbands.
They
Why
are bad.
shouldn't we move into the next era? Like hairbands are the next thing, you know.
I like them.
I wouldn't mind wearing a hairband. To be fair, I would find it a bit strange. It's for the simple reason I'm so used to my hair being next to my face. I wouldn't expect it to be
But you can
otherwise.
do a hairband like this and still keep the hair.
Or else
You don't have
during-
to.
Yes, or else during your wedding I had done something like this. and that's
In
that.
fact, yesterday I had a wedding as well, and this week is full of weddings. And I had a kind of clip, and I put it on the side. I lifted my hair up a bit,
Cute.
and I just did that.
Very cute.
Thanks.
Now, as I said, I'm using the purple shade now on the pan. It looks dark. It's transferring much lighter on my skin, on my eyelid, obviously, which means that you need a lot of build-up for it. So
Me too. But I like what it transferred into, because I was a bit skeptical of using this color, because it's a morning wedding. But it transfers much lighter, so I'm happy about that. And it's still pigmented.
it's nice. Hello, comes up, huh?
I like this. I like it a lot. Just going to add a bit more just to deepen out the crease, but otherwise I'm happy with this look so far.
Woo! Party.
Party
With
my friend Marty. Comment below if you know where
Who's
that's
that
from.
Marty? Please, you should know. Come
Please
on.
tell us, guys.
If you
that
watch
you know.
Disney Channel, you know exactly what we're talking
We're
about.
gonna party and party hardy with my friend Marty. Don't know how Marty.
But he's kind of smart. Does it?
You missed one.
Damn it! But it rhymes with Marty, I have to say.
No, with my friend Marty. Don't know what Marty, but it rhymes with party. That's kind of smarty. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that's the inner geek of
The
us.
grown-ups are back. Okay. Now I think. Let me think. Flat shader brush, and I'm dipping into. I'm mixing the pink and the cream. I'm mixing it together for my lid color.
I am blending out.
Are you now?
I am, as I'm dipping into this, no problem.
So pigmented, I love this palette. It's so nice.
It's nice, Oyster,
I
and
like
it
it.
was retailed at 16 euros.
Not bad at all. You have 12 shades for 16. That's really good.
12 shades for 16.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm happy.
You should be. Because it's quite worth it.
No,
For the kind of pigmentation. I like it.
it's okay. So covering up with my concealer, because you know concealer is life.
Yes, it is.
I don't know.
For the win.
Mm.
I like this, guys. I really do like it.
to build it up more. Although Vera takes a lot to build up the color, but I like what it translates to.
But at least it's not blotchy and...
No, it has a cloth feeling and it transfers the same, like cloth feeling. Like,
it does,
weird.
it does. It's very soft. Hello.
There's a lot of bells, church bells going on.
There is a feast today.
Or more people are getting married.
Could be,
One of them. What are those? No, actually I know.
I'm going to move on to the lower lash line, and I think I'm going to mix again the orange and this warm. Sorry, you're not seeing it. This orange and this warm red over here.
I'm still blending out, guys. I'm doing my lower lash line very lightly. The same purple, as you can see for yourself. And now I'm going to apply the eyeliner and mascara ever so gently and with optimum concentration, because I don't want to mess this shit up.
For the wedding.
Bye!
Bye! That was... Okay. Bye, guys.
We'll be back shortly, right?
We'll be
Because
back.
I need to concentrate, and my face when I'm concentrating is not nice. I'm like... Yeah.
When is it ever nice?
Shouldn't.
So... I can actually see our eyeshadows on camera, so...
Whoa!
In the viewfinder, so... They pop in.
That's amazing.
I love it.
I do as well. I love the finished look.
It's amazing. For swatches, we swatch them in our unboxings, so watch that.
We'll link it down below.
We'll link it. It's so nice, guys. It's so nice.
We have applied our eyeliner and black. Why are we saying black? Because we're gonna say what. We did black mascara on the top lash line, but now we want to use the mascaras that we got with our unboxing. Now, we had got the blue mascara, the purple mascara, burgundy purple, and we got the jungle mascara, which is like a red black mascara.
Yes.
So we'll be both using one, I'll be using this, Thea will be using the red, and we'll be applying it on the lower lash line. So, this is exciting.
Let's see how it goes, guys. It's our first time using colored mascara, so we thought let's try it on our lower lash line and we'll see how it goes.
Ooh, I like it. Illa completes the look, eh?
It does?
I like it.
Let me see.
And it shows.
I liked it. And it's lengthening too. It's not just the color, it actually does its job.
Yes.
You ready? Wait.
It's okay. Now we can. I hope you can see it on camera, but it's surely not. It's not black, so surely you can see it.
I'm seeing the close-ups now.
Wow.
Yes.
There is a showing. Hella.
Let's see.
I love yours.
Uh-huh.
It complemented the look. Because the black would have contrasted, but this complemented it. Fucking love it. Sorry.
Beep and love it. I'm so happy.
I'm so happy.
I am.
Of course I am. Don't worry.
I like it.
Yeah, see? Being experimental and shit like that.
Next time we'll try the green
The
one.
blue
Nice.
one. No, we don't have another one. So, for lipstick, I will also be using. You want to use one of my Kikos? I have these.
Take it on Kiko look. Sure, why not? That's so nice.
I know. I love Kiko. That's
At
why I
work,
love
she just does. No, I know why she just goes for it because it smells nice.
It smells nice. I love products that smell nice. Okay.
Yeah, me too.
It's like a bonus form. If you do that, I am your buyer for life.
I like
And
this.
you have to express it.
I love this look.
It's poppin', right?
But you gotta look good.
Can look good in my dress.
Yes.
So these are our looks, guys.
Check out our close-ups.
I'm feeling it.
Oh. So, we really like this palette, guys.
As you can see, I mean,
We do highly recommend. You know what we wanted to check? One second. We wanted to check how much it costs. Because we're not sure if it's 16 euros or not. So, let's see. 1 second. Kiko. I have foundation on my phone, guys.
Kiko Milano.
Kiko Smart Cult Eyeshadow Palette. There it is. It's 11 pounds.
So it's around 12, 13, 14
So it's
euros.
less. 11 pounds, guys. Go for it. We do recommend it.
We kept on using other products for our eyes,
Yes.
mainly the mascara, colored mascara. Like, who is this? Why are we trying new things? We just love it. And we also used the Kiko Milano, the Kiko lipsticks as well. So
She used
it's the
Unlimited Stylo in 21, and I used, that's right, the Gossamer Emotion
the
in 105.
Exato. The only thing I have about this, I love the color. I love how the satin and matte. It's like a satin matte. I love how it looks. The only thing, it gets a bit sticky at times. At first, it's really sticking.
This is comfortable, huh?
That's comfortable as hell.
This is
But
really
this is a bit sticky. I still am not purely against it because I love the color and
The color is very
and the
nice.
smell and everything. So
The smell is very important, guys.
yeah, important. Okay, so
Thank you for watching us again, guys.
yes, stay tuned for more videos coming your way every Tuesdays and Saturdays.
Please
Oh, cramp.
subscribe.
Subscribe and hit the bell button for more
Videos coming your way.
Yes, until then, we love you guys. Bye.
Bye, guys. Thank you.